respected executive. I'm Kavishalini Devendran here. We are the consultant appointed to solve the challenges faced by the GlobalTech solution or GTS. Despite being a global leader, GTS is currently struggling in Asia to cultural conflict, poor communication, and declining the performance. The main issue is not about the technology, but its failure to adapt to the local cultures. The main issue is technology, but today we will present the strategy to rescue the restructuring GTS operation in Indonesia, focusing on culture alignment, workforce development, and sustainability growth.
GTS is currently facing four critical problems. First is cultural clash. GTS uses Western Indo-Holistic approach while Indonesian employees prefer teamwork and consciousness. This creates discomfort and misunderstanding. Second, ineffective organizational structure. GTS imposed a standardized global system that does not match Indonesian hierarchical and relationship-based business culture. Third, low employee morale. Local employees feel overlooked for promotion, while expatriates struggle with cultural differences leading to dissatisfaction. Fourth, communication gaps. Indonesia practices high context communication, meaning messages are often indirect and polite. However, Western teams communicate directly, which can be seen as rude or aggressive. As a result, GTS has experienced high employee turnover, reduced productivity, and declining revenue. These challenges clearly show the need for immediate transformation.
Hi, I'm Danishwari. I'm presenting the culture selection. What Indonesia? First, culture. Indonesia, collective values emphasize teamwork, harmony, and respect for hierarchy, making collaboration essential. Second, economic potential. As the largest economy in Southeast Asia, Indonesia offers a fast-growing digital market. Third, business environment. Success depends on trust, relationships, and respect for cultures and religious practices. Therefore, GTS must adapt its strategies to local values. Indonesia is not just a market, it's a strategic opportunity.
A very good day to my beloved lecturer. I'm Vaidishwari Mahalakshmanan and I'm going to present my part, which is Business Rescue Plan Part 1. To solve this issue, we propose a several strategy solution. First and foremost, organization structure and culture integration. GTS should adopt a localized structure by empowering Indonesia managers in leadership roles. This ensures decisions aligned with local expectations. We also recommend a mandatory cross-culture training programs for both expertise and local employees to improve understanding and reduce the conflicts. Now we're moving forward to the second point, which is HR strategy. For expertise, GTS should provide culture adoption program including language basic, culture norm, and mentorship from local employees. For local staff, GTS must implement fair promotion system, leadership training, and career development opportunities. This will increase motivation, loyalty, and retention. These changes will create more inclusive and balanced workplace. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Carlson. So I will be presenting for Business Rescue Plan Part 2 for the conclusion. So next, we focus on teamwork and long-term sustainabilities to improve multicultural and virtual teams. GTS should introduce clear communication guidelines that respect both direct and indirect styles. Meeting should be flexible to accommodate time zones and cultural practices, such as prayer times for diversity and inclusions. GTS must respect religious value and encourage teamwork and promote a culture of mutual respect that have a harmony. For long-term sustainability, GTS should invest in local talent, build strong partnership with Indonesian companies, and continuously adapt to cultural changes. In conclusion, GTS does not just need a new strategy, it needs a cultural transformation. By aligning its operation with Indonesian culture values, GTS can rebuild trust, improve performance, and achieve sustainability growth. We strongly recommend implementing this plan. Thank you.